In the city of Gyeryong, the Republic of Korea marked its 77th Armed Forces Day with a ceremony that combined solemn tradition with striking displays of military power. Soldiers lined up in formation, standing tall with their weapons and equipment as traditional music filled the grounds. The atmosphere carried a strong sense of discipline and respect, while the nation honored the men and women serving in its armed forces. Marching soldiers paraded with precision, followed by a traditional music performance that brought together cultural pride and military ceremony. A taekwondo demonstration highlighted Korea's martial heritage, with participants showcasing skill, agility, and strength. Citizens and officials watched closely as performers in traditional clothing joined the parade, blending Korea's cultural identity with its modern military presence. The military band played stirring music while soldiers carried out a weapons demonstration, underscoring the day's theme of readiness and national defense. Throughout the event, soldiers stood at attention as President Lee Jae-Myung's speech was displayed on a large screen. His words emphasized unity, resilience, and the commitment of the armed forces to safeguard the nation. One of the highlights of the day was the aerial displays. The famous Black Eagles aerobatic team took to the skies, performing high-speed maneuvers and precision acrobatics. Fighter jets roared overhead in tight formation, helicopters hovered in coordinated patterns, and a maritime patrol aircraft known as the P-8 showcased its capabilities. The spectacle in the air captured the pride and technical expertise of the Republic of Korea's forces. Although this year's ceremony was scaled down in the aftermath of last year's martial law bid, the commemorations still carried deep meaning. Military personnel participated in Media Day activities, while citizens enjoyed cultural performances and displays that connected the armed forces with the broader public. The 77th Armed Forces Day in Gyeryong highlighted the balance between tradition and modern strength, showcasing not only Korea's cultural richness, but also the technological sophistication of its defense forces. From the parade grounds to the skies, the ceremony stood as a tribute to national pride and the dedication of those who serve.
지원하고 투자할 것입니다. 인공지능, 반도체 등 첨단 기술 산업에 대한 존경하고 사랑하는 국민 여러분, 여러분이 선택해 주신 대한민국 제21대 눈깜박할 사이에 페이지가 넘어가는 인공지능 무한 경쟁 시대가 열렸습니다. 기후위기가
봄입니다.
식후 행사는 선진화된 우리 강군의 위용을 국민께 보여드리기 위해 기념 영상 시청, 민군 통합 태권도 시범, 공중부대 최고 난이도의 비행 기술입니다. F-50 전투기와 P-50 훈련기는 폴란드 등 세계 7개 나라에 수출되어 그 성능을 인정받고 있습니다. 전투기의 임무 시간과 임무 반경을 확장시켜 작전 중단 업무, 영공무방위 임무를 수행 중입니다.
이어서 대한민국 해군의 해상 초계기 PAC, 항이 P-3C를 운영하며 세계 최강의 대장전 임무를 수행하고 있습니다.
여러분 오른쪽 상공입니다. 스타 대응을 갖춘 군단이 이루어진 우리 공군의 강력한 영공 소의지를